Hello friends, this is my new video series on linked list. So this is my first video on linked list. In this video we are going to know about the basics of linked lists. So what is a linked list? Let's first search it on Google. So basically linked lists are used in many programming languages, but in this series we are going to use C programming language. So if you want to learn more about linked list, you need to have some basic understanding of the C programming language. Okay, and the operating system which we are going to use in this whole video series, I am using a Debian favor of Linux currently. So what is a linked list? So Google has shown us an ordered set of data element, each containing a link to its successor and some of its predecessor. If there is a single linked list, it contains link to its successor only, and if it is double linked list, it contains a link to its back element and a link to its successor after element. Like so let's go on Wikipedia about linked list. We get a whole lot of data. So there are some of the benefits of linked list. Linked list is of dynamic size. There is some internet connection problem. Let's see why this. Let's wait. And it's a linear data structure, and there is very ease of insertion and deletion in linked list. You can imagine a linked list as an array, but of dynamic size. In an array, you have to define how much number of value you need to store in the array, but in case of linked list it is not required. You can a linked list is of dynamic size, and you can increase and decrease the size depending upon your need. So here's the page open. In computer science, linked list is a linear data structure called nodes. So in C language, a node is the, you can say, basic unit of the linked list. It has a structure. Let's open a text file. No text file, let's open a C file. I have already write a program of linked list. Let's show you that only. And then we are going to write this program again. So in this program, this is simple linked list. So this is the data structure of the node. It has one variable called data, integer. It is going to hold the data, and this struct node next is going to hold the link to the next node. And if there is no link to the next node, then is going to contain a null value. And this is a print function which is going to print the data in the linked list. Let's go to a main function. It has three nodes. First is head, from where the linked list begins. This is the important node. This is the important node because this is the only node from where we are going to begin our linked list. If we somehow lose control over this, then we are not going to can't do much more thing, because we does not have the starting link point from where we are going to start. So always remember, head is the first, it's like the engine of the train, so it is the first node. Then here we are going to allocate three nodes into the heap through malloc function. So head data is equals to 1. So is first node is going to have a value of 1. Then head next is second. So second node is going to first the head node, next node is going to be second node. And like this, second node contain the second value, and this next node is third node data is 3, and third node next will be null. So let's print list here and return 0. So let's run this program. According to our program, it should print 1, 2, 3 with the space between them. So let's run it. Let's compile it. Out 1.c. So it's compiled successfully, and 1. So you can see we have 3 elements printed, 1, 2 and 3. So we are going to write this program again. So let's start. S include stdio dot h include std standard library dot h. Now str structure struct node int data struct node pointer next. It should be pointer to the next. That's now the print function. We are going to print the list. Struct node n while n is not equal to null. Okay. So here we have written n not equals is not equals to null. It will run until n becomes the null, until the value became false. If wherever this function found that n is null, it stops there only. And in the program we have seen the last node has contained the next null. So let's write the next line of the code, which is now we will print the data. Similarly, because we have an integer value, you can store any other thing like a character value. Basically we prefer integer value because of its ease, and we can perform many functions on integers later, like sorting, many sorting techniques. Another thing like binary searching. These are for later videos. And data. Now n is equals to n next. Now our int function. So struct node head is equals to null. Let's copy this. Paste. Let's change the name. And now we are going to allocate them in the heap. That is equals to struct node malloc size of struct node. Okay, now copy this again and paste this 2 times, second node and this time for the third node. Now change this variable name third. Now we are going to use our print function which we have defined above. No, before print we have to assign data in the next node value to 1. Let's first insert data only. Second data should be 2. Oh, I forgot to terminate them. Head data is to 3. Now their next value. Next node value. Head. Next is equals to second. Next is equals to third, and so now there is no node left, so its next should be null. So our program is just finished. Just one thing left, the print list head node. So that's all for this function. Let's check again for any error. So I think this should be no error. we are in Linux, so we have to give it permission to execute. Compile it, output 11. Let's see. So it's compiled without any error warning. So you can see we have 1, 2 and 3 printed. Just a little bit problem. Let's change it, some little thing in it. I press it again, printer, so that the next command line it came in the next line. So let's compile it again, let's run it again. Now it's looking nice. 1, 2 and 3. Now you can see we have the same 3-digit displays again. So this is a simple linked list, storing 3 values in 3 nodes. So I think that's all for this video. Thank you. And if you like my video, then please click the like button, and if you want to share this video with your other friend, then share it. And you have any query, then please comment below. I will hopefully answer all your queries. Thank you.